Take 2. Na. Sino yung relate sa take 1, take 2 bago ma-perfect yung video? Hello guys, Merry Christmas. Alam nyo guys, this one guys binigay ng amo ko na Christmas gift. Akala ko guys wala akong gift. Medyo nagtampo-tampo, okay lang. At today guys, my lunch is this one. I miss Western food. Na-miss ko to guys kasi nung sa Singapore ako, lagi kami kumakain ito. And then, actually guys, this is good for dinner, but I never eat dinner, so I choose to eat for lunch. So, kain tayo. Merry Christmas, everyone.